Ever wondered why solar plant operations and maintenance, O&M, matter? It's a valid question, and one we should all be asking. You see, solar plant O&M isn't just about the superficial task of keeping panels clean. It's a complex system of operations that ensures our solar plants run proficiently and effectively. It's like the heart of a solar plant, vital for its survival. By the end of this video, you'll understand why solar plant O&M is much more than meets the eye. So, what exactly is solar plant O&M, you may ask? Well, let's dive into it. Solar plant operations and maintenance, or O&M, is a comprehensive term that refers to the procedures and measures taken to ensure that a solar plant operates at its peak performance. It's like a health checkup for your solar plant, but instead of a doctor, you have a team of skilled engineers and technicians. This involves regular inspections to catch any potential issues early. It's like your annual health checkup, where a doctor might notice something off that you hadn't noticed yet. Just like you clean your house, solar panels also need cleaning to remove dust and debris that can reduce their efficiency. Then comes system testing, which is akin to running on a treadmill to test your heart. It's about pushing the system to its limits to ensure it can handle what's thrown at it. And finally, there's preventive maintenance. This is the equivalent of eating healthy and exercising regularly to prevent future health issues. In essence, solar plant O&M is about maintaining the health of a solar plant and ensuring it delivers maximum power. Now let's delve into why solar plant operation and maintenance, or simply O&M, is so crucial. Think of it as the heart that keeps a solar plant pumping. Without it, the entire system could falter, leading to inefficiencies and even failures. Firstly, solar plant O&M extends the lifespan of the solar plant. Regular monitoring and maintenance ensure that all components are functioning optimally, preventing premature wear and tear. This way, the solar plant can continue to generate clean, renewable energy for a longer period, making the most of the initial investment. Secondly, it helps prevent system failures. Solar plants are complex systems comprising various components. By routinely checking and maintaining these components, potential issues can be identified and addressed before they escalate into major problems. This proactive approach leads to fewer disruptions and more consistent energy production. Cost savings is another significant benefit of solar plant O&M. Yes, maintenance does involve some costs, but think of it as an investment that saves money in the long run. By preventing expensive repairs or replacements, the costs incurred in regular maintenance are easily offset. Finally, solar plant O&M leads to increased energy efficiency. Regular maintenance helps keep the solar panels clean and free from obstructions, ensuring maximum sunlight absorption and hence optimum energy production. Therefore, solar plant O&M is an indispensable part of running a successful solar plant. The benefits of solar plant operation and maintenance extend beyond just keeping the plant running. It's like the secret sauce that drives the whole solar energy production process to its peak efficiency. Let's start with performance improvement. Regular maintenance ensures that the solar panels are in their best shape, free from dust and debris. This clear and clean state allows them to capture as much sunlight as possible, converting it into more electricity. It's akin to keeping a car engine well-oiled for optimal performance. Next, we have downtime reduction. By conducting routine checks and catching small issues before they escalate, solar plant O&M helps prevent unexpected shutdowns. It's like a health checkup, catching potential illnesses before they get serious, thus saving precious production time. Cost saving is another major benefit. Although it might seem like an extra expenditure initially, in the long run, operation and maintenance actually saves you money. How so? Well, regular maintenance prevents major breakdowns that could result in expensive repairs or even panel replacements. Lastly, all these benefits lead to the ultimate goal: higher return on investment. With improved performance, reduced downtime, and saved costs, your solar plant becomes a more efficient and profitable entity. It's like turning your solar plant into a high-performing athlete, achieving more with the same resources. So it's clear that solar plant O&M is not just beneficial, but essential. In a nutshell, solar plant O&M is a game-changer in the world of renewable energy. VSD explored how it's defined, delving into the crucial tasks of operation and maintenance. VSD highlighted its importance, not just for functionality, but also for the longevity of solar plants. Moreover, we've underscored the myriad benefits, from maximizing efficiency to lowering costs. Understanding and implementing Solar Plant O&M can make the difference between a solar plant that merely exists and one that truly thrives. When it comes to Solar Plant O&M, VSD Misty Engineering Solution. Private Limited is a name you can trust. Providing top-notch services, their team of experts ensures the efficient functioning and longevity of your solar plant. So if you're looking for the best in Solar Plant O&M, look no further than VSD Misty Engineering Solution Private Limited.